So moving next on our list, guys, is pterodactyl tactics. Now, this is a new channel I stumbled across, but the actual Lamborghini Hurcan on this guy's channel I have seen in other videos. I've been trying to find out who owns it for months on end, and I love the kit in this car. I love the stance in it. It's bloody gorgeous. It's such a sick car, and he looks like he's finally started to start regularly posting on his channel to show us what kind of cars he has. He has a wide body NSX. He has an 812 Superfast, and he has this Hurcan as well, and he has one or two other cars there as well. I have no idea what this guy does for a living. He obviously has the money to spend, but hopefully he'll keep uploading because it is a very, very sick car. This exhaust system, $15,000 exhaust system for this Hurcan, and just check this clip out. This thing is bloody mental. I can't believe how loud this thing is. Check this out. Mother of Jesus, I am just blown away. It's spitting flames. You see the whole back of the exhaust system shaking. Just the sound of it, the turbo spooling. I don't know what brake horsepower that car is pushing, but my God, it was one serious. And the way the colours are done in the exhaust system as well, like 15 grand well spent, I must say. You know, we obviously haven't heard of driving yet. I'm presuming that might be in the next video, but let me know in the comments below, guys. If you haven't checked this guy's channel out, go check it out. Link in the description. And let me know what you think of the exhaust system as well, and the car itself, because I'm in love with it. Thought I'd bring it to you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that piece of orgasmic sound from a Hurcan.